Now, you might have heard of Englaon before. That's the company behind the purpose-built caravan TV, the X70 as well as the X90, very, very popular models. But did you know that Englaon recently launched a range of reversing cameras for caravans and motorhomes? And we're going to have a quick look at that today. There are two versions available. One is a fully wired system, whereas the other one is wireless. The wired system is designed to be fully plug and play so that you can use the existing cables that you might have running through your caravan and your tow vehicle, but they do provide a 15-meter cable just in case you don't. Now, this system is designed for easy installation and it's compatible with 12 volt to 36 volt power supplies. It comes with a 7-inch screen monitor for inside the tow vehicle with a 1024 by 600 screen resolution, as well as an auto dimming function. It also has a DVR recording function with two-way audio. There's an IP69K waterproof rating. Now, we're looking at one of the very early production models of this product, so the packaging you get might be a little different. Comes with the instruction manual, and here we have the in-car display, the 7-inch monitor with 1024 by 600 screen resolution and that auto dimming function. You know, and it certainly feels like a good quality product. Now, this is going to be the camera itself that mounts to the back of the van. And again, this looks like a really strong, sturdy product. We have a steel shroud, dual cameras, and let's not forget this little suction cup mounting for your in-cab display screen. So this goes here into this slot, slide it up, and we can lock it off. And of course, adjust it as necessary. Now, the wired kit comes with 15 meters of cabling, all the mounting hardware that you might need. Now, as I mentioned, Englaon does have a wireless version of this camera in the range, and we have that here, so we'll open that up. We have the instruction manual, the suction mounting, we have the display, and lastly, we have the camera itself. Some of the wiring hardware, and of course the antenna, because this is a wireless product after all. And one other thing about the Englaon wireless reversing camera is that it has a field of view of 120 degrees.